Imagine an intelligence so powerful, it could outthink the brightest humans in every field, solving problems we haven't even imagined. This is superintelligence. Thousands or even millions of times more capable than today's most advanced AI. It could discover cures for diseases like cancer in months, create revolutionary materials, or solve climate change with strategies no human could compute. Cities, energy systems, even global economies could be optimized beyond comprehension. But humans won't be replaced, they'll evolve. Routine tasks and complex calculations may shift to AI, while humans focus on creative oversight, ethical guidance, and innovation strategy. New roles will emerge: AI-human collaboration designers, synthetic ecosystem architects, and innovation ethicists, guiding AI to work alongside humanity. Unlike today's AI, superintelligence thinks, learns, innovates, and architects itself independently. Experts predict it could arrive between 2040 and 2070. The future is awe-inspiring and a little scary. The question isn't if it will happen, it's how we prepare to thrive alongside intelligence far beyond our own. Future is already here. Like, subscribe and follow to Sapiens AI channel.